ready. Have I got everything? Extra batteries, camera rolling, items. I think we're ready. Alrighty, let's get this party started, man. Hi and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing Ikea haul because I bought some things from Ikea. Thought they were pretty cool, thought they were pretty nice, pretty swanky, and I thought that I could show you because why not? Okay, first items are cushions. I have been looking for so many cushions for so long. I can't even tell you my struggles that I've had. It's been a long road, but Ikea had my back. Ikea got me through, and Ikea is where these cushions are from. And the camera's about to run out of battery. And we're back. Okay. So we have this. This is green. It's a forest green colour, which I really like. I'm very into pink, like this colour pink with greens, and this colour pink with red as well. I think pink and red actually goes really well together. That might just be me, but yeah, I think it. I love it. This is the Sanella. Yeah, Sanella. This is the Sanella cushion cover. So the cushion cover itself was, why did I just turn it off? I can't remember. £6, and then I had to buy the inner cushion as well, which was £3 or £4. So altogether, pretty decent price for such a big cushion. Also, can we just talk about how like squishy and comfortable these Ikea pillows are? Cushions, I mean. Like, this is good. This is what I came for. Next item is another cushion. So it was £13, I think. And I just really like the print. It's actually white and grey, so it's really nice. I really like how small the lines are, because when you look at it, you can't really tell as much. It's kind of just like a one big blur of a colour. It's just so comfortable. It goes well with my room. I love it. It's cheap. It's good quality. I'm gonna sneeze. It's gone. Stockholm. Anyway, this is the Stockholm cushion 2017. So yeah, it was £13. Very nice. It's got this little zip thing, so you can take out the inners if you wish. I don't know why we would want to do that, because then you would just have a pillowcase. But you can. So, great cushion. That's my cushions done. Okay. Ooh, it's heavy. Okay. Next is this throw blanket. I don't know what you want to call it. Thing that you can put on your bed or your sofa. I haven't actually opened this yet, because surprisingly enough, we went from having no spring at all to practically skipping spring and going straight to summer in England. It's got sellotape on it. Evil sellotape. Evil. Oh, can I get it off? No. Do I need scissors? Yes. Can I be bothered to get scissors? No. Hey, I should have done this before. I'm so under-organised. Under-organised? Unorganised. Here we are. This forest greeny colour that I'm loving right now, and it's quite a thin one, which is nice. So yeah, and that's the pattern. So I've got like a alternate little ridges going throughout it. It's just very nice, very big. This keeps coming untied and it's annoying. And what is this called? I think this was £13–14 again. I literally always won then. Okay. So, you know this is a Swedish brand? Well, it is Swedish, right? Yeah, Swedish. I don't know how to say this word. Just look for yourselves. Yeah. Vagamala. Vagamala? Vagamala. And now for the last item, I'm going to bedside table. I might have to look up which one it is again for you. This is the Selgi. Selgi? It's spelled S-E-L-J-E. I'll leave all the links in the description, so don't worry about that. You won't have to go off my bad pronunciation of things. Well, I actually forgot Ikea, you know, flat pack furniture, that's what it's known for. I forgot about that. See, I'm not the biggest DIY person, so yesterday I had to get my dad to help me do it, and let's just say it was interesting. We had problems with screws. There's only actually 3 screws, but we still managed to have problems with screws. It was just it was a very interesting experience. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was quite a short one. I don't have that much money to spend on Ikea. And I really hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Also comment if you like these products, or if you want to see anything else from Ikea that I might buy. And yeah, check out my social media down below. All my links for Instagram, Twitter, whatever will be down there. Bye! Oh baby, don't know this Posing for a thumbnail is like the weirdest thing. You're like, it's like when someone videos you and you think they're taking a picture. You're just like, they're like, this is awkward, That is me done. What?